everyone, I am Linh. I'm the first speaker of the group The Bamboos. Our team has 3 members, Linh, Nguyên, and Tuấn. So our topic for today is if we could create a new planet, what would the ecosystem on that planet be? So, as we all know, an ecosystem is an environment containing all living organisms that interact with each other. So on Earth, we have many problems that we're facing that leads to ecological imbalance. So if we can make a new planet, we'll surely make it better, right? So there are 2 changes we will make for our new planet to make it improve. The first one is we'll provide special energies for organisms. And the second one is we'll provide special features for the atmosphere so it could protect the earth and the air as well. So people now have to use a lot of minerals like oil, coal, and gases to make vehicles work for us to use, which means they're using up a lot of energy and minerals, and that is harming the earth. On our new planet, we are giving species special energy, internal energy, so they can move around quickly at different speeds and different biomes. Instead of using up a so large portion of Earth's natural energy, they'll only use energy from the sun, air, and water. For example, they can travel quickly or really slowly at every biome without having to use vehicles. People now have to use less minerals, and that could be really convenient as well and saves a lot of time. So our next speaker, Nguyên, will talk about environmental harm and climate change and improvements she would make for our new planet.
I am the second speaker of the Bamboos. Climate change is one of Earth's biggest problems that it is facing, and we need to fix it immediately. It has created a negative impact on every living creature, including human, by affecting the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, and the life we experience. Earth's ozone layer is damaged because when toxic air molecules meet the ozone molecules, they will have a chemical change with each other. And the toxic air molecules will begin to change and break the ozone molecules, which have been transmitted out of factory smokes and transportations. So, in our new planet, ozone layer, it will be very thin and unbreakable. Nothing can eventually damage it, even if living creatures release a lot of toxic air like methane or carbon dioxide. It works like a magnet, absorbing every toxic air it could find, which emitted to climate change, and change them into good gases like oxygen that we use every day. So, our team last speaker, Tuấn, will explain more about the population of animals and conclude our talk.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Minh, the first speaker from the team, the Bamboos. So now I'm going to conclude my team's opinion about what we should add to our new ecosystem. As you've heard, my teammates have stated 2 very important things about our new ecosystem. First of all, Haley said that organisms need energy to live, and humans need energy to power many different things. So she decided to give all organisms that are born on our new ecosystem a sufficient energy source. I agree with this idea because the thing is, in our current state, we continue exploiting too many resources like fossil fuel or oil, and sooner or later we'll run out of it, and it can harm our environment. Second, Calvin said that the ozone level in our current ecosystem is seriously damaged by toxic gases released from factories, different types of transportations over time. So she decided to give our new ecosystem a thick, strong, and very useful ozone layer. This ozone layer can also turn toxic gases into oxygen. I agree and even support this idea because the thing is, damaged ozone levels is actually the main cause of global warming. The more sunlight comes in due to the damaged ozone levels, the hotter Earth gets. The hotter our Earth gets, the more carbon dioxide, and then the worse our ozone level becomes. So in short, we could create a new ecosystem, and in that ecosystem, it will be green and internally balanced. Thank you for listening.